So let's talk a little bit about text boxes right now. You can have two types of text boxes on your page. If you drag and drop a simple text box, you can edit the text, give it some text, style it. You can give it a border if you want. You can change the font size, text alignment, things like that, and then you can move it around as you want, right? And this is what we do to annotate certain events in the well. So for example, if I can see the friction factor here is increasing a little bit, and there was something changed in terms of hole clearing. Some parameters were changed to improve the hole clearing, and the friction factor decreased right here. So you could annotate that using the text boxes, right? The other type of text box is templated text box. And you can, again, drag and drop it here, and then select what kind of data you want to pull out of the input parameters of the input data to populate that text box. And I'm going to cancel it right now. So one of the examples of a templated text box is parameter box. You can right click this one, edit template, and select or deselect and move around up and down certain automatically generated text. And you can also add freeform text as a label or as a comment in the parameter box, right? So that's the difference between the usual basic text box and templated text box, right? So I'm going to close it right now. The header is another example of templated text box. It uses area name, field name, well name, and scenario name, and some freeform text to compose a nice header. Another thing which you can drag drop on the canvas are images. So let's say you experienced the cavings. So you can take a photo, upload it to your PC, and then upload it to your DDR, to your chart to annotate, hey, we've got some cavings in this interval, and then text box would go with that. Edit text, and you can write some cavings at, let's say, where is it? 3,000 meters. And I accidentally pushed my image to the background. So it's somewhere here. I just need to do it one more time, just to make sure it's here. Right. And then you can save the template, and that image will also be saved together with the template. So when you send the XML file to someone else, all of that information will be within the XML file, including the images, right? Say you want to add logo of your client or your own company. That's where you press the select default logo button. You can add change logo. There's a space for one logo on the left hand and the second logo on the right hand side of the header. So let's use logo number 1. It's gonna add the logo to all the pages and all the templates within the selected category. So within the project templates, all the templates have now applied the Merlin logo applied, and you can use these controls to resize and move around logo, and it will be moved around and resized for all the templates and all the pages. So top, let's use 30. Yeah, I think it looks good. So again, we can now save the template, and we should be happy with the result right now. Again, save to project, overwrite. Template's been saved successfully, hopefully. Yep. And the next time you're gonna load this template, all the information, all the text boxes will be here. Now we can talk a little bit about the exporting. So you can print and send all the pages to a printer, whether that's a physical printer or virtual printer, doesn't matter, whatever you have installed on your PC. Or you can export to PDF and directly save it as a PDF and send it as an email attachment. What we quite often do is we're gonna select a page, and you can see this light blue border right now. That means this page is selected, and we're gonna copy it to the clipboard. And then what I can do from here is paste it to an email and send it to someone with some comments, or you could copy it to clipboard and paste to your Word document or paste to your slides, PowerPoint slides, and pretty much everywhere where you want to paste it as a image. And that's pretty much it for the reporting. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please get in touch if you would like to book a demo of Merlin TDH software.